Let's make some Instant Pot beef and macaroni soup, a nice old-fashioned recipe, also called goulash. Let's start with some extra virgin olive oil, some garlic, and some onion. Put your pot on saute. Keep that mix moving around. They get a little hot on saute. Get your ground beef in. Get that chopped up. If you don't have one of those choppers, you need to. I'll have it linked below. Get the meat browned. Add in some carrots. Add in your beef broth, your tomato sauce, your diced tomatoes, Worcestershire, and the pasta. Get it underneath the broth. Get it covered up. Put it to vent. Set it to 5 minutes. Do a quick release. And here we have it. Give it a nice stir. And it is ready to be plated. Add some Parmesan cheese. Serve it with some bread. You have a delicious, hearty soup that could be a meal. I hope you love it as much as I do. Let me know what you think. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you soon.